We need to be small. Need to be smaller. No, that's not possible. We don't be smaller than this. Because I am cute as it is. Simeon! Simeon!
Hey, what's going down, Simeon?
Franklin, I must ask you. The last car you
Country bumpkin shit is enough to get us shot.
I need to like put on the subtitles so I know every time. So every time I hear them say it, I'll just scream. I'll just go, ah! You know? Oh wait, am I getting in that car? That's my car, I forgot. Whoa, I really fucked up my car that bad already? Fuck!
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vagos dude with the
Go, bitch! Run! What the fuck you doing? I don't see any people. I'm blind as fuck. Oh, over there.
Follow me. Let's get through this.
Anyways.
Damn, man. Just when I thought this shit was clearing